Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can reset your JBL Boombox frame, and it's pretty simple, so let's go. So first thing that you want to do is you want to have it turned on, and in the moment when you're going to have it turned on, you just want to press and hold the plus button and the play button at the same time for about 10 seconds. So you're going to have it turned on, and then you're going to press the plus button, and then you're going to press the play button at the same time for about 10 seconds, and what you will achieve is that it will automatically reset, turn off and reset for you. So this is something that you can do and you can try. And let me know in the comments if it's going to work out, but this is the simple procedure. I just wanted to make this quick video for you so you actually know how to operate it really quick, really effective, and you get the point straight up. So you're gonna power on, and then you're just gonna press and hold the plus button and the play button at the same time, and that should work. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.